Hello, I'm Brian Tracy. Now, you may know me as a speaker and trainer on personal development, sales skills, and success, and as an author of more than 70 books that have been translated into 42 languages. I want to introduce you to another friend, a young man whose work I have followed and who I believe has a story and a message that are extremely valuable for you as you pursue your dreams. Ladies and gentlemen, would you please join me in welcoming three-time Olympic medal winner, inspiration for the popular Disney film Cool Runnings, which I've seen twice, and internationally recognized author and coach, Devon Harris.
Hey guys, this is Devon Harris, and I'm so excited to be able to meet with you. Although it's virtual, I'm disappointed that we weren't able to connect in New York a few months ago, but hey, we find a way to keep on pushing. And so this morning, I want to share some thoughts with you on how you can keep on pushing and inspire, innovate, collaborate, and make an impact even during challenging times. Circumstances are arising in our lives on a regular basis, right? Almost every day. And so the question I have for you is, how would you describe those circumstances that take place in your life? Do you see them as good, or would you describe them as bad? See, in the end, how you feel about those circumstances that take place in your life have less to do with the circumstances themselves and more to do with how you perceive them, right? How you feel about the circumstances that are the situations that you find yourself in is going to determine how you act, how you respond to those circumstances. Hamlet reminds us that nothing is either good or bad, but our thinking makes it so. And so as we kind of look around our world today, right, we're smack in the middle of this this pandemic, caused by COVID-19, and globally we're kind of teetering on the edge of economic collapse, as it were. There's just so much uncertainty. The businesses are closing. You look at the hospitality industry, and I see the meeting planning industry as part and parcel of that. I mean, the hurt is unprecedented. Hotels are closing down. Obviously, meetings are being canceled or postponed, or like as we are now, meeting virtually. Restaurant workers and tour operators and transportation workers, everybody is impacted. And I know, I feel the pain. I can totally empathize, because as a motivational speaker, man, if there are no meetings, then there's no work for me, there's no revenue. So it means that what that means is that none of us is immune from what's happening, this pandemic, right? And it's creating really a lot of insecurity. We find ourselves in a sea of uncertainty, as it were. Nobody is sure what's going to happen. And so my advice, because as human beings, I should say, we love certainty because it gives us a sense of control and safety and security, right? Certainty is one of the 6 emotional needs that we all have, and so we crave certainty. And so when you have a crisis, whether it's the COVID-19 or some other crisis, a financial crisis, a relationship crisis, a health crisis, when those things happen, they knock us off balance. Because one of the reasons why we set goals and we so passionately pursue those goals is because we want a certain level of certainty in our lives, right? We want to have control over the outcome. Now, these crises knock us off balance, and we have a tendency, because it's natural, to want to fight tooth and nail to hold on to what was, right? To maintain control. And my suggestion to you, as counterintuitive as it might be, is to let go. You have to learn to let go. You kind of have to breathe and center yourself, get yourself grounded, and just kind of let go of trying to maintain control, right? Recognize that, yes, I am swirling around in a sea of uncertainty. And I can't be sure what's going to happen next, but I'm going to have to just kind of breathe into the moment right now. Dig deep to figure out who you truly are and recognize that, hey, you have a set of skills and experience and knowledge that is still incredibly valuable and can make a big difference in the world, right? We're talking about how you can make an impact.